What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be making some Oreo frosting, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to be using some cafe latte Oreo flavor. We're also going to be using some skyr yogurt. And lastly, some Splenda. For the first ingredient we're going to be using is the yogurt. We're going to be needing 250 grams of yogurt. Turn on the scale. Make sure it's on grams. And we're 250. Enough. Alright. Perfect. Okay. Next we're going to be taking the Jello. And you can use vanilla, you can use the white chocolate, butterscotch, or even dark chocolate, or is it milk chocolate, I believe. Just make sure that it's fat-free. 10 grams. Seven. All right, 10 grams of that. Okay, next I'm going to use 2 Splendas. Okay. Alright, that's it for that. Now we're gonna start mixing. Now you want to make sure that when you start mixing that you don't mix too fast. The Jello is very powdery, it's just gonna fly everywhere. So start slow. Scoop from underneath, go on top. And then once you see that it's getting all mixed pretty well, you can start going a bit faster. See that the skyr yogurt is pretty thick as it is, but adding the Jello makes it extra thick. And even if you want it even thicker, just zap this in the, I was gonna say the microwave, zap this in the fridge or the freezer for like 10-20 minutes. See that? See what you want. Look at that. Who needs ice cream? Who needs 800 calorie ice cream? This is amazing. You're gonna love this. Sometimes I like to get creative. Add some food coloring. Make it blue, make it pink. Alright. Okay, that should be good. It's all mixed in. Okay, cookies. We're going to be using 6. Like I said, you can use any cookies you want. I like to use Oreos because they're my favorite. So we're going to take 6 cookies. One more. 6. Okay. Keep 2 on the side. Crush 4. Use your muscles. Okay. Once they're crushed, just give it a little stir. Make it look nice. You guys are seriously gonna love this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay. Put it down. Spoon. The last two. Just to make it look nice. Something like that. Alright. There you have it. Oreo frosting. You guys are seriously gonna love this. Alright. Alright guys, so for the total number of calories for this delicious creation is gonna be a whopping 398 calories, 49 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fat, and 30 grams of protein. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.